I have shared it before. Hello, sir. Is it visible, sir?
Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, yes. Show the next. Show the next page, sir. Oh, okay. It is visible now. So tell the name of this person.
Ruchi madam.
Ruchi ma'am.
You have found out very quick. Congratulations. Okay, show the next page, sir.
Okay, Ruchi ma'am.
Yeah.
Guess this person.
I think it's Ashok Maurya.
Yeah.
Ashok Maurya.
Yeah.
Right.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
yes,
Yeah.
yes.
You all are very, very
Oh.
talented.
Yeah.
Great.
Actually, you made wonderful slides.
He has worked very hard.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Very
Yes,
good.
yes.
Very difficult.
Yes, I had to collect all the information about you.
Geeta madam.
Geeta madam.
Yeah. She is Geeta
Yeah.
madam.
You have completed this task successfully. Okay. So now we will learn some. We will make sentence from some current words.
Oh.
Okay. These words are related to coronavirus, COVID-19. So anyone can make sentence using this word.
I can go for one.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes.
I am going for a masks. During this pandemic period, we have to wear masks essentially. Otherwise, we will may afflicted by COVID-19.
Sentence. Who wants to make sentence?
Yeah.
We get
Lakshmi me.
May I?
positive.
Lakshmi.
If we get corona positive, then we should be isolated and we should wear mask. Always we wash hands with sanitizer. We should sanitize our house after getting the coronavirus negative. That's all.
Lakshmi, may I?
Lakshmi, may
I?
Yes.
Nowadays, plasma therapy is very helpful for recovery of the patient. So I request all the COVID recovered patient to donate the plasma.
May I, ma'am?
Yeah. Nice sentence. Yeah.
May I, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So precautions is better than cures. So always use mask and hand sanitizer.
Yeah, nice sentence. And I wanted to say one thing that Santa Madam has put, I think, 3-4 words in a sentence. Okay, that's also a great thing. Now
So,
who wants?
Lakshmi, may I?
May I?
Yes, Nita.
okay, thank you. Good evening to all. So in my area there is so positive, not so there is positive case. So that's why now we are in lockdown weekly twice. Thank you.
A nice sentence. Now.
May I?
Now
May I?
May I?
Yes,
I
one. Yeah. Ashok, sir. Yeah. Okay. Ashok sir, please.
Okay, okay. So currently in Uttar Pradesh, government has announced 2 days lockdown on Saturday and Sunday. Every week, Saturday and Sunday, we have lockdown to in this pandemic situation, and we have to be positive in this during this crisis, and we have to use mask, hand sanitizer to protect ourselves, and vaccine is in the trial process, and we will soon get vaccine, and we have to maintain isolation who are corona positive patient. Yeah, thank
Yes,
you.
yes. Yeah. Nice.
May I,
Nice
may,
to
may
know
I,
from. Yeah, yeah.
Geeta madam?
Yes,
In
yes.
COVID, two types of symptoms are coming asymptomatic and symptomatic. In symptomatic, a lot of symptoms we can found. Then we should undergo isolation, and in asymptomatic, we should live in house itself, and we take care of some about something, then we can relieve from this COVID. Okay.
May
Yes. Yes, sir.
the coronavirus is a pandemic disease. The meaning of pandemic means a disease which is spread in whole country, in whole world. This is called pandemic. Okay. And second sentence is we should use less hand sanitizer and we should use more hand wash and soap. Thank you.
Can I speak?
May I? Yes, yes. Yes.
May I?
If I wanted.
We should be positive in this situation. Second, we should stay away
Your
from
voice
the
is not clear, ma'am.
Now, hello.
I shall speak loudly.
Okay, ma'am. We should be positive in this situation. Now, is it okay?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, yes.
We should be positive in this situation, and we should stay away from the negative videos and the negative newses. If you feel that you are a positive, if you feel that you have a symptom of corona, you should isolate yourself. You should wear you should cover your mouth with the mask and regularly use the hand sanitizer. And and it is in the news it is said that vaccine will come, estimated that in December the vaccine will be come. Thank you.
Yeah.
Lakshmi, may I?
I request, actually now I want to go to the next page, because we have some more words for making sentence, and you can if you have math sentences, then you can send this all to our group, okay? Because we have less time and we have more we have some topics also for discussion. Yogesh sir, please show the next page. There
Yes.
also we have some words.
I have
Okay.
already told.
Yeah. So these words are related to Sushant Singh Rajput's death. You can make sentence using this. Here I put meaning and sentence example also. Who wants to make sentence? Yeah, Prakash sir, you start.
Yeah.
You start, sir.
Okay, so blackmail and dump, this type of examples.
Yeah, sentence.
Okay. Okay, so don't try to blackmail me. Okay, because I don't like this type. And don't try to make me emotional blackmail. Otherwise, I will dump you. Okay.
We all are attached with you emotionally.
Yeah. So
May I?
Yeah.
Like the what is it, blackmail? We should not. We should keep it. We should keep secret with us. Don't tell anyone. Otherwise, after the fighting, they can blackmail you.
Yes. Nice sentence. You can, I think you can share the next page from there also. They will they can make sentence.
Okay.
You can also make a sentence from dump. The word dump.
Lakshmi,
Yeah.
I express my condolence to Pranab Mukherjee family.
Yes. Today I
Current-
want to say that
current affair.
sentence.
Yeah, yes.
All right. I express my condolences to the victims of landslide, massive landslide in Kerala.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is-
I express my condolences to the victims of coronavirus.
Nice sentence.
I express my condolence to Suresh Raina's family.
Yeah, that is right.
He has a great passion in playing cricket, so he makes sentence related to cricket.
Yeah.
Oh, who wants now?
Okay, I just want to make one sentence with hyphen. Okay. Hello.
Yes.
Okay. The government officer who is in charge of public fund has siphoned off a huge amount of money.
Yeah, nice sentence, sir. Very nice.
Can I make?
Thank
Okay,
you.
may I
Yes,
ask you?
You're
If you are a leader, so don't mislead your followers. If you are a leader, you don't mislead your followers.
Yes. Nice sentence.
So we should not mislead the people who trust us very much.
Yes. Super.
Can I make?
May I?
Yes. Yes.
The Riya Chakravarti misleading the CBI police and all the police officers in this case, in Sushant case.
Yes. Yes.
Like you have misled. It is like young generation is misled by the social media.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can I one more make?
Yeah.
We should not involve with the dangerous person, or they blackmail us and they will they blackmail us. That's it.
Yes. Now?
Now
Yes,
in
ma'am.
social media.
Yeah.
May I?
Yeah.
May
Yes, ma'am. Speak.
Okay. Now people are misleading in social media about religions. Yes.
Yes, nice sentence.
Okay, may I?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes,
One
yes.
more incident had happened in Karnataka, I think.
Your voice is Unclear, sir.
Okay, okay.
Tell the sentence again, sir. Again, sir.
No, I said that one incident had happened in Karnataka about communities.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, may I?
Okay. Speak.
Okay, so I express my condolences to the family who is lost their family members in coronavirus period.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice sentence, yeah. So I think we should go to our discussion topic. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. To the next, yeah. It is visible. To the next, sir.
Is it next? Fourth
To
round?
the next.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have like there is a fourth round. Hello, Lakshmi ma'am.
Yes.
Is it the slide? It is a fourth round.
Yes,
I
it's
have already
fourth
shared.
round.
Yes, I have already shared. Is it visible?
Yes, sir. It's feasible.
Okay.
So I have already sent you this topic in our WhatsApp group. So who wants to talk on the first topic?
May I?
Yes. Yogesh sir from
Yes,
Maharashtra,
yes,
right?
ma'am. Yes, yes,
Yes. And originally you are from Uttar Pradesh.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes.
For my first one, like, should we support our government in every case, or we should criticize the government? It is not when we should. In every case, we could not support the government because it is all about the perspective. Sometimes we are unable to understand their point of the view, so we start the criticizing the government even we don't know about anything what is going on, but from the social media, from the misleader, from the leader who misguide the young generation, they just follow that. But it's like literacy, so we should use our mind, and whatever comes in your interest, so we should talk about that thing. Like, yes, you have command on that topic and you know this is right or wrong, then if it is right, then we should support for that. If it is wrong, then we should criticize for that. Like, we have so many platforms to talk your word, like the social media, Twitter, then like that. It is from my side.
Hello.
Yes, sir. You're right.
Lakshmi, may I?
Yes.
Yes. Yes,
ma'am.
Yeah, question is, should we support our government in each and every case? Then I would say that not in each and every case. If you, as a citizen of India, we have right to express our thought, and freedom of expression we have. So that doesn't mean you will oppose every time to government. So if government has taken the right decision, then you have to support it. If government has taken the wrong decision, then you have the right to oppose it, but not in like you have no right to destroy public property. You can oppose in a peacefully way, and we have that right. Our constitution has given us that right, but you have to express it in proper way. That is my point.
Can I say?
Yes.
The question is, should we support government in every case, or we should criticize the government? I am partially agree and partially disagree with this. With the questions, we should not every time support the government, or we should not every time criticize the government. as we have seen, the government talk in their public in the public talk, they talk more and they do the work less. If we see they are doing work less, then we should not support. If they are really doing the work hard to develop the nation, to develop the city or country, then we should support. So as per my opinion, according to our view, we should support and criticize the government. Thank you.
Yes. If you, am I audible?
Yeah, audible.
Yes.
Yeah. If you have, more thing to add in this topic, then speak. Like,
okay.
Are you getting my point? I'm saying that don't repeat the,
Same things.
don't repeat the
We
things
already
again.
discussed.
Like, yes, what we have already discussed.
Then they can go for the second one. No?
So anyone wants to say?
I want to speak
I want.
about this.
Lakshmi, may I?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
The first
Who
top.
wants to talk on this?
First top. Nageshwar, sir.
In the first topic,
Yes.
Nageshwar sir wants to.
Yeah, yes. I'm. Okay.
Yes.
So we have to support our government for a good governance, but not every time. And also sometimes we have to criticize government also, because when our government not do a favor to the people, it's not good to the people. So that's why sometimes we have to criticize the government also. So for example, we have a vote to elect the politicians or the government every 5 years. So it is one opportunity to the people to elect the good government for good governance. So that's why I can say that sometimes we can support our government, and on the other hand, sometimes we have to criticize the government also. Thank you.
May I?
Okay.
Yeah.
May I?
Yeah.
Okay. So yes, we all know that it's necessary to support to our government, but in every case it's not necessary. But if I talk about in this situation, it's pandemic. So we all read news every time. So we show that sometimes that some people are not support to government. Government did many things. Government applied many rules for our safety, but some people criticize to government. So when government did some right thing for us, that time always we should support to government and don't criticize to government.
So
That's all.
yeah.
Can I talk
Now
about the
I
second
want to talk on this topic. Like she has told that don't criticize in good decision, right? So now I want to mention. Sorry, now I want to mention the definition of criticization. Okay, so criticization doesn't mean telling about the demerits only. criticization means telling about the merits and also demerits about a particular thing, person, action, etc. etc. Okay. So criticization doesn't mean
Okay.
that telling about the only bad thing. And also there are two kinds of criticization. One is constructive criticization and other is destructive criticization. So we should accept the constructive criticization. And in Steve Carell's book, You Can Win, he wrote that an inability to accept constructive criticism is a sign of poor self-esteem. Okay, so now I want to talk on today's topic. So, in my point of view, we should not support our government in every case, because sometimes government can, sometimes government take that type of decision which is bad for our society. And if we feel that it is bad for us, then we should raise our voice against their decision. We should point out the demerits of their decision. And it's a duty of a responsible citizen.
Yeah.
Now, I would
Lakshmi,
like...
I want
yeah.
to add one more point.
Yes, you can add.
Yeah, I am saying that our commit is we are running democracy, right? We are not running autocracy. The people government by the one people. So in democracy, we have rights to criticize.
Yes, right. So, Prakash sir, do you want to tell something on this topic? Prakash sir is there or not? I think today everyone has network problem. Papia has also messaged me that she unable to come to our session because of network issue.
You continue the
Am I audible?
session.
Yes, you
Yeah.
are.
Yes.
So now I would like to start our second topic. Who wants to? Yeah, Nityananda. I think Nityananda.
Okay.
Okay,
So
you
second
also
topic.
can.
Okay.
Yes.
So
You also
means
can.
I have to speak on second topic or
Yes.
first topic. Means what is
Second topic.
the question? Okay. So is
No,
online business profitable?
Yes.
Okay.
That is.
Okay. So yeah, my point of view, online business is profitable, and also it's a helpful business, because now a pandemic situation, not only pandemic situation, it's always helpful, and pandemic situation is more helpful because all means all person are don't they and means don't have to means people are not able to go outside, so that's why they can means they can work from home and they can earn money for their survive. So it's a good thing. Okay, thank you.
May I?
Now who wants to?
May I?
Yes.
Aman?
Yes, please.
In my point of view, online business is not profitable in this pandemic situation, and also in normal situation also, because when we start a business on through online, we don't want to don't want to rent a shop and every expenses related to that shop. So we should sell in less cheap prices, so so the sellers don't get enough profit. So I think this online business is not profitable, but at the same time the buyers get things in cheap rate, so they have they have profitable. They have profitable to purchase through online. So is online business is not profitable in my point of view. That's all.
May I say?
Explanation by ma'am. Yes, now who wants to speak?
Ma'am,
Santa ma'am.
Vaishali.
Vaishali ma'am. Okay, speak.
According to my opinion, in this pandemic, the online business they earn a huge money. I heard in the newspaper also at the Amazon, Flipkart, and the Zomato, the online, the JioMart, all they have earned a huge profit in this. In this quarter they earned a huge quarter profit because of this pandemic. And many of the small business they also started to tie up with this online. They also tie up with this online business, Amazon and all, and they also started their selling their own. They started their selling their product because the customer getting the at their home, they're getting the product at their home, so they comfortably they buy the product. And when we use the debit card and all, we're not thinking much more about we are not negotiating and we are not thinking about much money. If we are using our physical cash, we think more when we give the money to the sellers. So according to me, the online business have earned us so much profit in this pandemic. They have grabbed this opportunity, and many people are starting their online too. They are growing their business in this pandemic through the online. So according to my opinion, online business is profitable in this pandemic. Thank you.
Hello.
Ma'am.
Yeah. Who wants to? Who it is? Yogesh sir.
Yes.
Yogesh sir? Yeah.
Yes.
I
Yes.
speak.
Like ma'am, we are already we have discussion about this online business platform in our society. Like due to this pandemic, we are 4 to 5 years step ahead towards online platform. Like if the pandemic doesn't come, so we do most of the people are not aware about the online system. Like we got the knowledge about the Zoom and webinar and most of the things on online. Our online business is not related with any particular thing. It may be a sales oriented, it may be a service oriented, it may be a financial oriented. It could be like anything. But yes, in a pandemic situation, all online business is quite good in this time. They are earning so much money from this online business. That's my point of view.
Question that, like, this is for this in this pandemic, many people have have to leave their job, so they are not earning so much. So can they buy anything or buy their
yeah. Oh, okay. There is another option, ma'am. Like we have the online. If you have heard about the freelancer, they can earn from the online. They are the free from the other company who want to join, who want to employ, but they could not afford. But they can hire the freelancer. The freelancer who work from the online system. They do their project on online. This is the earning point. Or by the affiliating marketing, there is so many, like ma'am, we can do affiliating marketing, so they can earn money. So if it is all about the opportunity, how can you generate the opportunity in the pandemic situation? There is the most of the things. So we should think about that. After that, ma'am, we are thinking about that. That's why we got this platform.
Okay, excuse me, Lakshmi, excuse me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we have very less time, so this is time to conclude our session.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so first today I would like to invite Subhas Paul from Assam to conclude this session hosted by Lakshmi Asaf.
Yes, sir. Lakshmi Lakshmi Barua from Assam has presented a very nice program today. She involved all of us, and she made some interest. She engaged us with some interesting topics, so that we can, which is relates to our practical things that we are happening this now, and there are some things, because the guessing work, that she made some slides and asked us to guess who is the person. Or so we enjoyed that session very much. It was something new for us, and we liked it very much. She has done she has done quite well, but unfortunately, she had some problem initially with the network issue. That is another thing, but she has done very well, and I think she will do more such things in future also. I wish her good luck.
Yeah. So though Lakshmi is the second youngest speaker
Yes.
on this platform, but she did it and she handled it successfully.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Though she faced some network problem, but she did it, and she can do
Yes,
it
I
better
disconnected.
next time.
Yeah.
So don't worry about network problem. That is not in your hand. Okay. And now I
Yes,
would
sir.
like
Yes,
to
sir.
invite Ashok Maurya for the feedback speech.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Today, Lakshmi ma'am done very well. He made every slide in a creative manner, and he collected all of us picture and the whole material. She
See,
really worked hard in the, sorry.
Okay. Speak. Okay, speak.
Yeah. So today's session was awesome. Yeah. Good luck. Thank you.
So Santa madam, what do you think about the creativity of the youngsters?
Yes, sir. Really, Lakshmi created very well, but in the beginning she faced network issues. Even though she didn't lose her courage, very courageously she tried, and she shifted to Airtel, Geo to Airtel. Then at last she joined in the session, and she conducted very well. And guessing session is I really appreciate about that guessing session. This is the very new topic to our platform users, and online business is also a very good session.